A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Current Affair May 2025. Purpose of PM Shehbaz Sharif visit to Azerbaijan on May 27, 2025. The correct answer: participate trilateral summit with Turkey and Azerbaijan. The main purpose of PM Shehbaz Sharif visit Azerbaijan to trilateral summit Turkey, Azerbaijan and Pakistan. Which team won Pakistan Super League? The correct answer: Qalandar. Pakistan Super League won by Lahore Qalandar. What significant diplomatic agreement took place between India and Pakistan in May 2025? The correct answer: DGMO, Director General of Military Operation talks to ceasefire. The main agreement between diplomatic agreement DGMO operation talks. Who is current DGFIA May 2025? The current DGFIA is Mukhtar Raja. Rifat Mukhtar Raja was DGFIA. What is the rank of Pakistan Global Free Index? The correct answer: 52. Global Free Index rank of Pakistan is 152. Which university in Pakistan made it QS top 300 university in Asia? The correct answer: ranking NUST was in QS top 300 universities of Asia. Which country completed undersea electricity cable project? The correct answer: Greece completed the undersea electricity project in May 2025. Which country hosts the World Table Tennis Championship? France, Greece, Qatar. The correct answer: the World Table Tennis Championship hosted by Qatar in May in 2025. What is the theme of International Nurses Day? The correct answer: our future caring for nurses and strength economies. Our nurses, our future and caring for nurses strengthens economies. Thank you very much.